Welcome to what happened in Nifty Spot. Nifty Spot opened higher at 22,768.35 and crashed to take support on this line of 22,603, the high. As you are well aware, what we always say in Nimblr process, that every non-star candle, high and low, is a support or resistance. So, did it happen? It came and stopped near about 22,603. This is an indecision candle which has a smaller body. Their high and lows provide the support and the resistance. So here it provided the support with a low of 22,613 against 603 high, and it stayed stable here for the day. If I show you the 30-minute chart, the 30-minute chart shows on lower time frame it opened higher, and then it fallen below this previous high. And anytime when price falls below previous high, it goes to next previous high, which was here, and may go to next previous high, which is here, 22,559 tomorrow or so, if it opens lower. And then lower, it can be at 22,503 and even 22,367. This is as far as the line charts are concerned for closing basis of 30-minute candles. Okay, these line charts are for 30-minute candles. So if you're going to maneuver the and navigate the day, then do it on 30-minute and try to understand these values and these supports. Right? Okay. And if I show you the candlestick chart, it looks something like this. Now this was a very important high, 22,603. Again, it took support here, as I said, right? And next supports could be here, 22,559, 22,503, or something like this. Okay. So now what to expect from here? Tomorrow, it may take support here at 22,559 or even 22,603, and then bounce to 22,695. It may give some kind of resistance here, and even 22,729. But crossing 729 might be little difficult because this is a point where the seller actually came into play today morning and he sold off. So this low was broken and it came down crashing. So 22,729 may now become a resistance value. Let's go back to the daily chart. Right, the daily chart is here. Again, I say 603 was a support. We may come down below 603 till 22,550. Now 550 and 529, this is a gap. Now this gap, if breaks down or if really dents into, then we have 431 coming here, right? And below 431, 22,307. So this is a structure on a daily chart, right? If you begin higher, then we may just touch 22,899, whatever we think may come as a target. Now this zone which is there above 603 and 768, it is a rotation zone, means price between 603 and 768, this 168 points, if there is any non-event internationally, then it may just keep moving here in this zone. But if there is some negative event, it may test this gap, and if it is too bad, it may fall to 431. If it is too bad, then fall to 22,307. Now, sideways here, I am showing you Line charts also says that 22,550, this area, 506, 493 are basic support lines for closing purposes. Line charts always seen for closing purposes. It may take support here and then shoot up to achieve what it has to achieve, probably the target of say 22,899. So either it takes support and moves up here, or again, if it really crashes, there is some hard news. Then 434 below, we see 22,332, 22,217, and then comes back to 22,123, where things had gone stuck. And for a long time, there was this support over here which had to be crossed. Some resistances were there here, and support was there at 22,123. So, this is what the general layer is as far as Nifty is concerned. Now, I will take you also to a weekly chart here because we are going to close the week. There's only one day. On the weekly charts, too, as I said, the IC candles. This is the IC candle, its high is 524. Okay. Now, it can, if it moves below this 524, the weekly chart says it will come down to this high, which is here 22,297, and below that comes to 22,179. So they are support levels here on weekly. So mind these levels: 22,524, 22,297, 22,179. If it comes below 22,524, on the upside, again, as I said, this is a good support line here. This also is a support line here, right? So 22,516, 603. This is 603 here, and this has to be 22,603. I'm very sorry. It has to be 22,603, 22,603. Right? Okay. So this is what is it is 22603, right? 22603. This is right. Just getting the number right here. And then coming on to this monthly chart again, we're on this monthly candle of April, which has just started, probably just a week. We may get a support again at 22,297, which tallies with this value, and then 22,123, which is the high of this candle of January. January, February, March, we are in April. So high of 22,123. If any further bad news, then 21,710. Right. So with this, thank you very much. All the best for tomorrow.